Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a picture in green screen on CapCut. So if you want to add a picture using the green screen effect in CapCut, this feature lets you remove background from images and overlay them onto your video for a professional look. And let's just break it down through step by step through this video. So why use green screen in CapCut? By using green screen, you can remove background easily, you can add logos, sticker or images to videos, and create fun overlays with no editing hassle. So how you can add a picture in green screen on CapCut? You can just open CapCut and tap on New Project, select the background that you want to use. Okay, let's see, I'm going to just use this one. Click on Add to import it to the timeline. Now you can just import your green screen image. So you can just tap on Overlay, tap Add Overlay, and then choose the image with a green screen background. I'm going to just use one using CapCut. So let's say I want to just add this one, for example, this overlay. You can just tap on the green screen and click on Add and place it over your main video. And now remove the green background by selecting the overlay and then scroll down through the bottom menu and tap on the remove background, this one. Click on chroma key and now tap on the color picker and select the green background like this. And here you can adjust the intensity to remove the green background smoothly. And you can also use the feather edge or clean up edge to refine the edges if needed. Click on the check icon. Now you can just tap the image to resize or move it anywhere on the screen. You can also adjust the durations to match your video timing. So this will be the final result. Now you can just tap on export at the top. But before that, you can also adjust the resolution and frame rate for best quality. Don't forget to save and share your awesome video. So for a more professional look, you need to use a high quality green screen images for a cleaner effect. And don't forget to increase the shadow settings to blend the image better. And you can also experiment with animation for cool effects. So now you're a pro at using green screen in CapCut. Let me know if you need more editing tips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.